Passage number 7. This is an application filed by the defendants for appointment of commissioner for recording of evidence of the parties. Full stop. The plaintiff has filed counter affidavit and rejoinder affidavit is also filed by the defendant in rebuttal thereto. Full stop. Learned counsel for the defendant in support of this application has argued that the plaintiff has filed this suit for cancellation of the agreement, damages and permanent injunction, whereas the defendant in response has filed a written statement along with the counter claim on behalf of the defendant number 1 for specific performance of the agreement. Full stop. Learned counsel for the defendants submitted that dispute involved a property built at plot number E92 Bazaar area, Maleer, Kent, Karachi, admiring 240 square yards, which was agreed to be sold by the plaintiff to the defendant for total sale consideration rupees 13 crore 5 lakh. Learned counsel submitted that out of the aforesaid sale consideration, a sum of rupees 5 million was paid by the defendant number 1, out of which 1 lakh was paid as token amount by a cross check and 49 lakh was paid by pay order. Full stop. Learned counsel submitted that the parties went into litigation and this court wide order dated 5th May 2009 ordered that upon deposit of the balance with the Nazir, the interim order dated 26 March 2009 passed earlier shall continue still disposal of the suit. Full stop. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the defendant that they have deposited the entire amount of sale consideration of rupees 13 crore 5 lakh. Full stop. However, despite best endeavor, the parties have failed to arrive at amicable settlement. Full stop. Learned counsel for the defendants submitted that it would be fair and in the interest of justice if the evidence is recorded through commission which would decide the list earlier than expected. Full stop. It is submitted that since the plaintiff is enjoying the possession of the premises and the defendant number 1 has also deposited the entire sale consideration, it would be unfair and unjust to keep this case lingering on and parties to await for its turn. Full stop. Learned counsel further submitted that the defendant number 1 is a bona fide purchaser and her valuable rights are being usurped by the plaintiff. Full stop. In a reply to the submission of the learned counsel for the defendant, the learned counsel for the plaintiff submitted that this court has no inherent powers to issue commission for any other purpose as mentioned in Order 26 Rule 2 CPC and the consent of the opposite party is necessary. Full stop. It is further submitted by the learned counsel for the plaintiff that apart from the above legal objection, the defendant has failed to fulfill their part of agreement within the stipulated period and as such the under reference does not merit consideration. Full stop. It is submitted that the parties as matter of right cannot seek appointment of commissioner for recording of evidence and in view of the apparent default of the defendant, they have no right to claim the discretionary remedy from this court. Full stop. In rebuttal to the submission of the learned counsel for the plaintiff, the learned counsel for the defendants submitted that it appears that the plaintiff is afraid of early disposal of the suit, and the serious and strong opposition is a proof that for obvious malafide reasons the plaintiff is opposing the appointment of commissioner. Full stop. He submitted that plaintiff cannot be allowed to enjoy the possession and part of sale consideration for such period. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Commoner working as PA in Civil Secretariat Lahore.